Welcome to Premath. In this video tutorial, we are going to solve this given system of rational equations. The first equation is x power 3 plus y power 3 divided by x plus y equal to 7. And the second equation is x cubed minus y cubed divided by x minus y equals to 19. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution, and here's the very first thing we are going to do. Let me go ahead and call this first equation as equation number 1 and the second as equation number 2. And here's our very first step. Let's focus on this equation 1, and here I have copied it down. Now let's focus on the numerator part only. And now we are going to use this formula a cube plus b cube. So this our numerator could be written as a product of two factors as x plus y times x square minus xy plus y square divided by x plus y equals to 7. And now we can cancel out x plus y with this x plus y. So we ended up with x square minus xy plus y square equals to 7. And now let me go ahead and call this equation as number 3. And here's our next step. Let's focus on this equation 2. And here I have copied it down, and let's focus on the numerator part only. And now let's recall this difference of 2 cube formula, a cube minus b cube, right here. So this numerator x cube minus y cube could be written as x minus y times x square plus xy plus y square divided by x minus y equals to 19. Now we can see that this x minus y and this x minus y cancels out. And one thing, just make sure that x minus y must not be equal to 0. That means x must not be equal to y. So we got on the left hand side x square plus xy plus y square turns out to be 19. Now let me go ahead and call this equation as equation number 4. And here's our next step. This time we are going to add these equations 3 and 4. And here I have copied down equations 3 and 4. Let's go ahead and add these two equations. We can see this negative xy and positive xy is gone. So our left hand side is simply going to become 2x square plus 2y square equal to 26. Let's go ahead and divide across the board by 2. So we simply got x square plus y square turns out to be equal to 13. Now let me go ahead and call this equation as equation number 5. And here's our next step. Let's go ahead and subtract equation 3 from equation 4. Here I have copied down equations 3 and 4. Let's go ahead and subtract them. So I'm going to change the sign. This is going to become negative, positive, negative, and negative. This negative x square and this positive x squared, they are gone, and this one is gone as well. So we ended up with xy plus xy is going to give us 2xy equals to 12. So that means our xy value is going to be 6. And let me go ahead and call this equation 6 this time. Here's our next step. Let's recall this a plus b square formula. I can write it in terms of x and y. I can write x plus y square could be written as x square plus y square plus 2 times xy. Now we know that x squared plus y squared in our case is 13 and x times y is 6. Now we can write this one, x plus y squared could be written as this is 13 plus 2 times 6. So we got 13 plus 12. So that means x plus y square turns out to be 25. Let me go ahead and undo this square. Take the square root on both sides. This square and square root is gone. So that means our x plus y value turns out to be positive or negative 5. And here's our final step. Let's focus on this now. In our previous step, x plus y equals to positive or negative 5 value. So in our case 1, I am going to pick x plus y equals to positive 5 value. In our case 2, I am going to pick x plus y equals to negative 5 value. Now let's focus on this case 1. We have x plus y equal to 5. I'm going to pick x and y value. Let me go ahead and pick x equals to 2. Then y value is going to be 3, isn't it? Now 2 plus 3 is going to give us 5. And 2 times 3 is going to give us 6. And likewise, we can pick x value as 3 and y value as 2. So thus our solutions for this case turns out to be 2, 3, and the other one is 3, 2. And let's focus on this second case where x plus y equals to negative 5. Let's go ahead and pick the appropriate values of x and y. This time I'm going to pick x equals to negative 2, and this way y is going to be negative 3. Because negative 2 and negative 3 is going to give us negative 5. And if we multiply this number, we are going to get positive 6. And likewise, we can pick x as negative 3 value and y is going to be negative 2. So thus this time our solutions turns out to be negative 2, negative 3. And the other solution is negative 3, negative 2. So thus we got our 4 solutions, 2, 3, 3, 2, negative 2, negative 3, and negative 3, negative 2. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.